pack this up is to remove the dust cover. Go ahead and do that carefully. Next, I'm going to secure the tone arm with a twist tie from a bag of bread. So you can see that that's on there. It's secure. It's not going anywhere. Next, I'll remove the head shell. I'm just going to turn this to loosen it. Don't want it to fall. And it should come right out. Next, I want to move the counterweight from the back of the tone arm. First, I'll take the small piece off the very back. Set that aside. And the big counterweight itself. Okay. Here on page 6 of the owner manual, you can see there's the tone arm adjustment, and that will detail how you would install that weight, head shell, and how to correctly balance it so that it plays correctly. So here on page 17 of the service manual is the original packing. I'm going to try to get as close to this as possible when I pack it. Next, I'll remove the mat and then the platter itself, and then we'll start packing those up. First, I'll just peel back the mat and pull that out. I'm going to use 2 hands to do it, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the mat has been removed, and now I'll just gently pull the platter out. And then that'll get packed separately, and it'll be underneath on the very bottom, and then turntable on top, and then everything else will be packed in along with it. Okay, platter goes in first. That's going to be in the bottom, and I'll put the turntable on top of that once I get it wrapped. Okay, so I secured the tone arm. I put some styrofoam around it, carved up a couple pieces. Used some toothpicks to kind of wedge them in so they're together, and then just put a piece of tape across the top and a piece of tape across the bottom. And then this piece, just put a piece of tape across the top, so that should protect it. And I'll go ahead and put bubble wrap all around this now and remove the dust cover. Okay, so the turntable is all packed up in there. Should be safe. I made a sleeve here for the rubber mat, so I'm going to put the rubber mat in here. Make sure you don't cut it when you're getting it open. And I took the center ring and I put it in a CD case, and I'm going to wrap it and then put it in the box with the other pieces. Okay, so those guys are tucked away. I'm just going to shut this, put a piece of tape over here. Should be good to go. Okay, so everything's ready to go into that box. It's going to go on with the packing. It's the counterweight, the original head shell and cartridge, the little nut that goes on the back of the tone arm behind the counterweight, and then the head shell. Okay, everything's packed away neatly, ready to ship. Here's the whole thing packed up with the dust cover on the top and all the components in the box here, the rubber mat on top, and the manuals.